Harley is not safe!
Eat it, you hairy fucking maggots! Don't try to stop me. I'm gonna cleanse the motherfucking earth.
What are you thinking? Get back in the tower!
Suck my cock, you rodent fucks!
You've lost it! Why do you gotta do that? Thanks for helping us. You're lucky Harley's obsessed with those rats. He didn't used to like inmates much neither.
I'm going back out there to kill the rest of those motherfucking bastards!
No, Harley, no! Stay here! We're gonna stay inside this tower until it's safe outside. It's gonna be safe again, right?
It's the
Your
motherfucking
spirit's
apocalypse!
so good, T.
Harley, it's safe now, it's safe!
Bloody sex ass
Look,
shit.
inmate, I'm sorry
gonna
he's
squash
like this.
them all!
He just needs some time alone.
It's the motherfucking
Harley, calm
apocalypse!
down! Go on, inmate. There's not room in here for the three of us. You gotta move on.
Goddamn flamethrower to take all
Harley
those
died on the
fuckers
river.
out!
Thank God we can stay in here.
Fucking apocalypse!
Harley, it's safe now. It's safe. I'm sorry.
Bloody sex
He just
ass
needs
shit.
some time.
I'm gonna squash them all!
Harley, calm down. Go on, inmate. There's not room in here for the three of us. You gotta move on.
This is Coast Guard Prometheus. Need lighthouse on to navigate. Someone must get lighthouse restarted.
Go back! There's no way through!
I think we lost him! Watch out! Up there! Oh, Christ!
Escaping isn't as simple as just getting outside. But I don't need to tell you that. You know there is no real escape.
I'll blow all you fuckers to hell before you put me back in the cell. Kaboom! Y'all feel me?
Seen anything like it. Oh, Jesus. Look at the insignia.
Fucking Nazis. But serious enough to shoot those fucking traitors.
Y'all won't get me. Fucking pigs!
You're so violent.
Fucking pigs! Come correct, punk! Step to your grave, motherfucker! Ah!
You couldn't save Corey and Malcolm from the fire. They're with us now.
Word is bond! I'll fuck you up!
What is this shit? Inquest, court-martial. God damn it, Owen. Those fuckers will never get me.
Is Malcolm there? Can he come out to play? What? Oh, that's terrible. We're so sorry to hear that. Can he play anyway?
I ain't going back! you! You gotta get me out of here!
Fucker tried to kill you.
He was confused.
Leave him to rot.
Hey, you!
You've got to help
You
him.
gotta get me out of
Die
here.
in here.
I thought you were a guard, man! You gotta blow this wall without killing me! Thanks, man. I would've gotten out of there myself, but you just sped the shit up. Hey, sorry about trying to blow you up back there, but I thought you were a hack. Look, I've been in Abbott too long, damn it. Look, I ain't going back, you feel me? Come on, we gotta get to the lighthouse. Represent, motherfucker! It's this way! Look, the lighthouse has a basement. It's like a bunker. Look, we can hold up there and wait until the dope wears off and these hacks are out of ammo. Look, it's tight up in these caverns, but I know all the shortcuts. Thanks for helping me out back there, but I would have made it on my own, so don't act like you saved my life or nothing. I'm gonna make it through this bad trip. I don't need nobody. The world. It's all good.
How much longer do we have to wait in here?
What's the holdup?
As it takes.
Those girls gonna find us?
I don't think so.
Are we gonna have enough air?
You with me,
There's
dog?
plenty of ventilation. Calm down.
What about food? It's right up here.
Rhett,
Yeah?
when we run out of food, you're gonna be the first
Clock's
one we
ticking.
eat.
It's this way. We're almost to the lighthouse. Come on. It's hard enough being a black man in this country. You be a brother who wants to make something of himself, got himself some real bread, man, they liable to
That's
lock
what I
you
loved
up.
about you.
Just look at me. Cops fucking me my whole life. Sweet. This is it. We're set now. It's like a vault in here. Nothing can get in.
Nothing.
You say something?
Yes.
What was that? I think the dope's coming back.
Breathe deep.
That smell! What in the fuck's going on?
That always feels good. He needed to go. He wasn't interesting enough. Not like you. You understand how it feels. He needed someone professional to pull the switch. A lot of eager sadists applied, but I was the only one who took the work seriously. So seriously, I wanted to taste the gas myself. That's what Carnate does. It brings out the killer inside. It's the perfect place for you and me. There's a difference between those that feel safest in the light and those that feel safest in the dark. Which are you, Torque? In the chamber, there is an intense light. Everything is visible. In the control room, the lights are off. You can't see anyone. No one knows you. I like that feeling. I'm here in the basement of the lighthouse for a reason. It's the one place the beacon can't illuminate. I thrive in that darkness. I love the history on Carnate. Over the years, every form of human killing has found its place. I envy you, because you get to revisit. Ah, yes.